Are these X Inova earbuds about to revolutionize your listening experience? Or are they just another gadget destined for the junk drawer? We're diving deep to uncover the truth behind the hype. First, we'll meticulously test the sound quality, comparing it directly to leading competitors in the same price range. Pay close attention to the clarity, bass response, and overall balance as we switch between different genres of music. Next, we'll explore the app. A good companion app unlocks the true potential of earbuds. We're looking for ease of use, effective customization of sound profiles, and seamless integration with the earbuds themselves. This determines how user-friendly the earbuds are. Now for the real-world test. Are these earbuds comfortable enough for hours of listening? Do they stay put during a workout? And does that noise cancellation actually block out the distractions of a busy environment? We're putting them through their paces. Battery life claims are often exaggerated. We'll rigorously test how long these earbuds last on a single charge, both with and without noise cancellation activated. The stopwatch doesn't lie. Finally, we'll sift through customer reviews. Are users raving about these earbuds, or are they experiencing common issues? We'll weigh the positive and negative feedback to provide a balanced perspective. We're even taking these apart. A peek inside reveals the build quality and the components used. This will give us a clear idea of the internal craftsmanship. After all this, we'll deliver our verdict. Are the X Inova earbuds a worthwhile investment, or are you better off spending your money elsewhere? Stick around to find out.